Hello everyone, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with the trade of the day, and today it is going to be MDRX, okay? So it's not so much that it's really popped a lot. This is an AI alert actually at $20. It's at 2027 right now. Nothing startling, of course. Of course, the market is still, I mean, as we speak, SPY's down 100, Dow's down 500, NAS is down 400. So I mean, in the face of a dropping market, this is doing really well. So what happened? They released guidance, Q4 guidance. They're saying is going to be really good. They don't actually release their full earnings report until February 24th. So they've kind of done what I call a bit of a pre-release. Okay. Now, more importantly to me, though, is the fact that if you take a look at it let's take a look on the monthly chart. And I'm going to back this out a bit. Okay, we have to go back to right here again, 2014. Well, actually, we've just taken that out. So you have to go all the way back to 2012 before you see the next highs for this. Who cares? That's 10 years ago. So I know this technically is not an all-time high, and but look at the month. The last 3 months, or including this month, has been really, really good. And so this could be something, depending on how it closes. I don't know what the rest of the day, I'm doing this at noon Eastern time. I don't know what's going to happen for the rest of the day. But if this closes well, you might want to you can consider it as a potential swing. Again, there's really no resistance. You got to go back to 2012 before you see anything. So that is why I've determined that MDRX is the trade of the day, especially in the face of the market being just hit again. All right, I want to get back into our trading room. So if you have any questions for me, you can use this email address, and I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern time. I hope to see you then. Bye-bye.